Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So as most of you know, I'm an esthetician and a makeup artist, and I am a huge fan of at-home skincare devices and kits. I love them for how they empower us in our self-care and also have the possibility of saving us a lot of money. So to that end, I've been looking for an at-home microneedling kit with different options of the length of the needles to better treat my fine lines and age spots. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, just stay tuned and I'll explain what that means. So in short, the length of the microneedle greatly determines the impact to your skin and how much of a professional at-home treatment you get, as opposed to a more watered-down version that might work, it might be good, but the longer the needle, the more the impact. My skincare concerns are diminishing dark spots or age spots, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and softening acne scars. I use things like microdermabrasion, alpha hydroxy acids, retinol, LED therapy, and keeping my diet clean and free from preservatives. I do a lot of things because I'm really into this stuff, but I have been looking for a better solution. So in my research, I've discovered the Banish Starter Kit. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through what it is, how it works, what I like, what I don't like. There is actually a few things I don't like, and why I think it's a good idea to check it out. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what microneedling actually is. So it's a technique that uses tiny needles to create microscopic punctures in the skin. So don't worry, it sounds more scary and intimidating than it actually is. These tiny punctures slightly damage your skin, and therefore it stimulates cell turnover. It boosts collagen and elastin production, and collagen is what keeps our skin firm. I'm sure you know that. Keeps us plump, keeps us radiant. So as we age, production slows of collagen. It leads to those fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, the things that just kind of won't go away and actually start to get worse. Things like alpha hydroxy acids, retinol, and microdermabrasion are similar in their ability to refresh the complexion by slightly damaging the skin. So this is the Banish microneedling device. It's a safe, patented device designed for at-home use. It comes with replaceable heads made of gold-plated titanium, if you can believe it, with different needle depths to customize your treatment. So the replaceable heads and different needle lengths is what really attracted me to this particular product, as it is, in my opinion, much more effective than your average microneedling kit, or, God forbid, a roller, which I actually think is not a good idea. It can do long-term damage to the skin. So this particular kit also comes with a vitamin C serum, a vitamin C cream, a pumpkin mask, and a fighter gel that contains aloe vera, which is a cooling agent. The kit includes, and this is what I like, 2 replaceable heads, one with 0.25 millimeter needles for sensitive areas around the eyes, and also a 1 millimeter head for deeper treatments that's great for scars or thicker skin. The kit also comes with another 2 0.50 millimeter heads that work for most of your face. I've used all of them, and I can tell you that the 0.50 millimeter head is my favorite for regular treatments. It's very gentle, but it's effective. In order to use the device, you start with sanitizing the head. Sanitization is extremely important. I cannot underestimate this when it comes to at-home treatments. So I fill the cap with 70% rubbing alcohol and I soak the head for about 5 minutes. Then I let it air dry. That keeps everything safe and clean, and you will not have any problems. Here's how I use it. First, I start with a clean face and I use very gentle products after I do microneedling. That's very important. I try to stay away from acids, basically. This gives my skin a chance to recover and heal before using anything that's a little bit stronger. But a lot depends on the sensitivity of your skin, so keep that in mind. Next, I gently stamp the device into my skin, working in sections: cheeks, forehead, and chin. Then I stamp about 3 times per area. No dragging, don't press too hard. You will be able to feel it, but it's very gentle. It doesn't hurt. I do this every 2 weeks, and my best friend commented after about a month of using it that my skin looked brighter. So my dark spots are fading, my fine lines are softer, and my skin feels more resilient and radiant. Plus, I love how the vitamin C serum and the creams absorb better afterward, which is very true about using any device that damages the skin, as your skin becomes more receptive to positive products. After microneedling, I apply the vitamin C nourishing moisturizer. It's not irritating and it makes my skin feel hydrated and supple. I think it's best to avoid most vitamin C serums and retinol or alpha hydroxy acids for about 24 hours, although Some of you might be able to use them. And also definitely protect your skin with SPF daily because your skin becomes more sensitive after treatments like this. If you have acne or irritated skin, then using the fighter gel with aloe vera is a wonderful way to calm things down. I also love the exfoliating pumpkin mask for helping keep my pores clean and clear and for preventing breakouts. If any of you have breakouts, sometimes I wake up with a zit, so that's helpful. And that's it. Easy, right? The whole process takes about 10 minutes and you can do it once every 2 weeks or so. It's a safe, effective way to help diminish acne, scarring, age spots, and lines and wrinkles. What don't I like about the Banish starter kits? There actually is something. Because you need to replace the microneedling heads about every 4 months, you have to be prepared to pay extra to have them sent to you. This is a reality of at-home microneedling, but I wish there was a way not to have continual charges. Or maybe, maybe I'm just cheap, I don't know. But it's pretty typical with anything at home that you have to replace devices. If you're curious about trying microneedling at home, I highly recommend this kit for older women like myself or anyone wanting to reduce scarring and spots and also acne. It's great for that. If you have done this treatment professionally, it can cost upwards of $600. So this, potentially saves you a lot of money, which of course I'm a huge fan of. It's safe to use at home and I've actually seen real results. Also, don't forget they have a $30 gift card with purchase, so that is wonderful. Remember, aging gracefully is about supporting your skin with kindness and science, not by fighting it. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and leave your questions in the comments below. Stay radiant and I'll see you next time.